YouTube, what's going on? This will be my first actual sensical video. I posted a couple clips and highlights from my other streams on YouTube. It didn't get many viewers, but I want to make my first actual video about people who are thinking about streaming or starting to stream. And I wanted to share the tips and the tricks that I've used in the month and a half time to get the followers that I've obtained so far, and the come up for me is amazing. You know, I never expected to have the viewer base or the followers that I've gained. I'm not saying I'm popular, but I do have 100 followers. I'm Twitch affiliate, and I got all that in literally a month and a half. And I'm going to start off this video saying, like, I play Call of Duty Warzone and Cold War, and I play with people, and they have a funny personality or whatever, and then I ask them, hey, like, are you a streamer? And then they say, oh no, I'm not good enough to be a streamer. And I say, well, dude, it's not about being good at the video game. That's just the cherry on top. But the cake in itself of being a Twitch streamer is your personality. If you have a good personality and a likable personality, people are going to come back to your stream, and they're, because they want to interact, or, they find you funny or whatever. Like, look at PewDiePie, for example. He's trash, dog water at every game he plays, but he's hilarious, and people actively, follow him and view him and watch all of his videos, blah, blah, blah. Hardcore fan base. And then there's streamers like, Nick Mercs or Ninja, and they're good at the game, but they're not really personable. So there's two different types of streamers out there, guys who are good at the game and guys who have a likable personality. And so I'm the guy with the likable personality. I think, I have a funny personality, blah, blah, blah. That's how I have, I've gained active viewers. Anyways, if you're thinking about starting to stream, I just want to highlight some of the key tips and the tricks I've used to get myself out there, to get viewers, to get people to watch my stream, to get people to follow, blah, blah, blah. So I start from nothing. I've learned everything on my own, from 0 followers all the way up to 100. And, once I gain like 25 followers, it just goes up like crazy. So my first tip is to make a Twitter account, and then when you go live, make a tweet, use the right hashtags, put your stream title or stream link in there to your Twitch or whatever, wherever you're going live, Facebook, blah, blah, blah. Put it out there with the tags, and then, people see it, click on it, blah, 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 watch your stream from there. And another key thing is to make a Discord account too. And then find Discord channels, streamer Discord channels, to promote your stream on there, going live. A really good one that I found is Koopa Troop. Koopa with a Koopa space Troop. Amazing Discord channel to gain followers. They have a promo subthread, and then a path to affiliate subreddit that you can post or promote your stream in both of those. And the community itself is amazing. Everybody's really likable, good personality, blah, blah, blah. Those are the key tips that I can say. Even though you're promoting yourself to other streamers, it may seem like, that's not the market you want to go for. Well, yes and no, because people will see, when they see your channel up there, they see your followers. And if you have 5, people are just going to assume that, oh, you're trash, you're not a good streamer, blah, blah, blah. But if they see your follower count with 300, 400, and they will think, oh, okay, this guy's actually, I'm going to click on it. It's just like a YouTube video. If you see a YouTube video with 0 views, you're almost more than likely not going to click on it. You'll click on the next YouTube video with 1 million views, because that sparks your curiosity about why, you know, this video has 1 million views rather than the one that has 0 views, you know. Kind of like the old Toyota Camry beside the Lamborghini. Which one are you going to look at? Not the Toyota Camry. But yeah, so I just want to say, if you're thinking about streaming, just do it. Just literally do it. Because you're not going to start doing it unless you know, just say, screw it, F it, I'm going to do this. And actually, now that I remember, there's one more thing that I also want to say is, when you are going live, make your title catchy. Don't do all caps and blah blah blah, big bold letters to really grasp the, no. Just a catchy, funny title or whatever. You know, maybe advertise your KD ratio if you're good, you know, advertise that I'm a good player, or that, you know, come have some laughs, blah blah blah, whatever. And then also make the right Twitch tags too. Make sure you always fill up the Twitch tags with the appropriate tags too, because you're not going to be streaming, you know, playing Call of Duty Cold War, and then have, you know, music or playing guitar as your Twitter tag or Twitch tag. No, like, it just doesn't, it's nonsensical. So those are my key tips and tricks to get followers, to get viewers, and blah blah blah. Like I said, I literally started streaming 1.5 months, 2 months ago, and my come up is crazy. I just got 100 followers last night. I was streaming Cold War, getting gold camel guns, and I reached 100 followers. I became an affiliate 2.5 weeks ago. Just insane. It's just crazy. I can't believe that, you know, I started from nothing, and then in 1.5 months time, you know, I'm here, and it's only going to go up from here. So that's all I wanted to say. If you're thinking about streaming, just do it. Just do it right now after this video. Make your Twitch account, make a Twitter account, blah blah blah. Get yourself out there. Use my tips and my tricks, and then also, when you have a free moment, go onto Twitch and search up Real Cherry Popper, or Chop Popper, Real Cherry Papa, and then shoot me a follow, shoot me a lurk, you know, say what's up. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on my stream as well. I'll post my stream link in the description as well, so hope to see you there. Thanks for watching the video. Peace and love, baby.